show you guys the time here. 11:58. Look at Olive. Beautiful girl. Look pretty, huh? Okay, so a while back I was doing a leaf vine project. I don't know if you guys can see that, if it's focusing or not. But I got pretty far. But I want to go to the park because it's really, really nice out today. And I don't want to sit inside. So we're going to pack my bag with the colors I need. And then obviously this kit too. Get that. Put this on the side. Like so. And then my other green, I'm literally running out. What am I supposed to do? That's going in there. But I'm going to bring the project I was working on with me. I'm going to put my phone in here. Okay, so don't mind my dirty car, but I'm bringing a blanket just in case I can't find a shelter to sit at. Because it is a Saturday, and I'm sure somebody's going to want to cook out over there, so. Okay guys, I think we're in luck. I found a good spot behind me. It's all shaded. It has like 2 benches. The only thing I'm scared of is spiders. I feel like it's going to be spiders or big bugs, but we're going to find out. So let's get our stuff and go over there. Okay, grab my iPad. We're going to take the blanket to sit on, oopsie, sit on the bench and stuff. Grab this and let's go. Scoping it out and it looks semi-spider free. Woo! What's that? I don't know guys. I might have to sit in the middle, but I'll definitely put a blanket down. But guys, look at this. It's such a beautiful area. Like nothing's around. And if I start to feel a bug, I'll just move into the grass and put a blanket down over there. Like there's a nice shaded spot over there, so. Get my iPad out. Okay, so if anybody wants to know, this is the video I go off of. If anybody wants to try that later. Look at that, I made one. I have an issue. It's been a minute since I actually crocheted, so I'm kind of lost. So bear with me. I'm gonna come back when I actually get it. So I got it and I made 5. It's not the best view, but I made 5 chains. And then now we're going back through that first one and doing it that way. Okay, so I chained 5 Then I did 4 double loops. I think is what she called it. Now we're moving on to the next step. Wow. So we're chaining 2. So this is supposed to be giving me the point of the heart of the leaf. Okay, let me pause this and show you guys. So this is the first, actually let me flip it around because you guys can see better that way. Hopefully you guys can see that. First leaf, little heart leaf, isn't that so cute? Super simple, anybody could really do this, honestly. Okay, I made my second leaf. This is what the next one looks like. And a bug literally just flew right at me. Looks super cute. I took a break for a minute because I was trying to figure out if Sarah was coming up here. But I think she's sick, so I don't think she's coming. One more. And we will be done with this leaf. And then I'll come back when I get the, what, 4th one done? Everybody had the same Sarah brought me, what are these called? Fudge mint cookies. So good. Alright, we're gonna make another leaf because we just took a little food break. And I'll come back. Alright guys, I'm packing up. I did 7 little leaves. It's not a lot, but I had to take breaks in between. It's cold out and I want to do like a little bit of a walk before I officially... What are you doing?
I'm just gonna put this in the bag without making noise.
Oh. Alright. Okay, I just finished up this whole crocheting thing with like a little mini walk. But thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys next time.